In today's video, I'll teach you how to record audio in Canva without camera. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome, or you can also open the Canva application if you want. If you have opened the browser, click on the search bar and type in canva.com, press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Canva. Simply wait for the interface to load. Now in this interface, you'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to see various templates. What you have to do is simply go to the specific project in which you want to record the audio. Click on this option projects that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the projects interface. You'll be able to see all the projects that has been created by you. Simply scroll down and you'll be able to find more projects. What you have to do is simply click on the project of your choice. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to another tab. In this tab, you'll be able to see the project. So if you want to record the audio, what you have to do is simply look at left. You'll be able to find various options like design, elements, text, brand, etc. Click on this option uploads that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to upload the files. In order to record the audio, click on this option record yourself that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to record yourself. You'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is click on this option record a talking head that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you can start recording the audio. Make sure you provided the permission for microphone, but make sure you've not allowed the permission for camera. When you start recording, you'll be able to find the pop-up if you want to allow the camera or not. Make sure not to allow the camera. After you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to see no camera written over here. That means even when you record, you'll not be able to record via the camera. So in order to record the audio, click on this option record that you can see on the screen. After you're done recording, make sure to click on the option done and the recording will be saved. You can play this recording if you want. Simply click on the recording. Subscribe to login aid. Now you can see over here that particular recording will be saved. Now you can see over here the audio will be recorded without the camera. What you have to do is click on this option save and exit that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here that particular recording will be saved. Now you can see over here that particular recording will be saved. You can place it anywhere you want. In order to play it, you can simply click on the play icon. Subscribe to login aid. So like this, you'll also be able to play it. So that is how you record audio without camera in Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.